Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today I'm going to be talking about the periodic table in its most basic and simplest form. This is what the periodic table looks like, and everything in the known universe is made up of the elements within here. In fact, the periodic table is actually short for the periodic table of elements. This is the reason why you won't find water or wood or plastic in the periodic table, because they're compounds. And what these are elements. Now what we have are columns called groups. Now you can see I've labelled 8 of them. So I've concentrated on these 2 and the 6 at the back over there. There's a bunch of groups over here. These are called the transition elements. But if you're looking at simple basic science, we can ignore them because they're slightly more complicated than the other ones. Okay, so we've got group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we've also got periods, and these are the rows that go across. So period 1, period 2, all the way down to period 7. Now we've got these 2 groups as well. The first row belongs up here, and the second row belongs down there. And again, if you're just in grade 8 or grade 9, you can just ignore these. You won't need to worry about them. Okay, now in general what we have are metals on this side apart from this one. This one's hydrogen and this is a non-metal, and we've got non-metals over that side. Okay, and these ones in blue, they're called metalloids. Okay, so we've got metals, non-metals, and the blue ones are metalloids. So metals are obviously, you know, things which are metal, things like iron, lithium, beryllium, magnesium, aluminium, all of those things. These are all metals, okay? And they've got a characteristic shininess. They're good conductors of heat, good conductors of electricity. They've got very high melting points and very high boiling points, this kind of thing, okay? Also, if you ping them, they go ping like that, and that's a property known as sonorous, okay, and they're quite shiny. Over there you've got the non-metals, and they are the exact opposite. They are poor conductors of heat, poor conductors of electricity. They are, most often, they are dull, this kind of thing. So they're the opposite. And then in the middle, you got the metalloids, which have kind of properties of both, okay? The notable one within this is silicon. Silicon is known as a semiconductor, and you can refer to all of these as semiconductors, in fact, all of the metalloids. And silicon is used for computer chips, okay? Well, that's a basic rundown of the periodic table, and I'll go into a little bit more depth for some of the advanced learners out there. Thank you very much. Goodbye.